Dear devotees, I am going to say about Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, 9th explanation. ഓം ശ്രീ പരമാത്മനെ നമ. അത് നവമോധ്യായ, ചാപ്റ്റർ 9. ശ്രീ ഭഗവാനുവാച ഇദം തു തേ ഗുഹ്യതമം പ്രവക്ഷ്യാമ്യന സൂയവേ ജ്ഞാനം വിജ്ഞാനസഹിതം യജ്ഞാത്വാ മോക്ഷ്യസേ ശുഭാത്. Sri Bhagavan said to you who are devoid of the carping spirit, I shall now unfold the most secret knowledge of Nirguna Brahma along with the knowledge of manifest divinity. Knowing with you shall be free from the evil of worldly existence. രാജവിദ്യ രാജഗുഹ്യം പവിത്രമിതമുത്തമം പ്രത്യക്ഷാവഗമം ധർമ്മ്യം സുസുഖം കർത്തുമവ്യയം. This knowledge of both the Nirguna and the Saguna aspects of divinity is a sovereign science, a sovereign secret, supremely holy, most excellent, directly enjoyable, attended with virtue, very easy to practice, and imperishable. അശ്രദ്ധാന പുരുഷ ധർമ്മസ്യാസ്യ പരന്തപ അപ്രാപ്യ മാ നിവർത്തന്തെ മൃത്യുസംസാര വർമ്മനി. അർജുന, people having no faith in this dharma, failing to reach me, continue to revolve in the path of the world of a birth, death. Maya tadamidam sarvam jagadavyaktu murtina masdani sarvabhudani na chagam teshvastida. The whole of this universe is permitted by me as unmanifest divinity like ice by water, and all beings dwell on the idea within me. But really speaking, I am not present in them. Na ja mastani bhudani pashya me yogamaishwaram bhudabrinna cha bhudasto mamatma bhudabhavana. May all those beings abide not in me, but behold wonderful power of my divine yoga, though the sustainer and creator of beings, myself in reality dwell not in those beings. Yadagasthido nityam vayu sarvatra go mahan tada sarvani bhudani mastani tvaddaraya. Just as the extensive air, which is moving everywhere, being born of either, ever remains in either, likewise know that all beings who have originated from my sankalpa abide in me. Sarvabhudani kaundeya prakriti yanti mamigam kalpakshye പുനസ്താനി കൽപാദൗ വിസൃജാമ്യഹം. Arjuna, during the final dissolution, all beings enter my Prakriti, the prime cause, and at the beginning of creation, I sent them forth again, Prakritim Samavashtabhya Visrijami Punapuna Bhudagrama Mimam Krishnamavasham Prakriti Rvashat. Wielding my nature, I procreate again and again according to their respective karmas. All this multitude of beings subject to the sway of their own nature. Najaman tani karmani nibegnandi dhananchya udasina asattam teshu karmasu. Arjuna, those actions, however, do not bind me, unattached as I am to such actions myself, standing apart as it were. Mayadhyakshena Prakriti Suyade Sajarajaram Hedunanena Kaundeya Jagaddi Parivartade. Arjuna, under my aegis, nature brings forth the whole creation consisting of both the sentient and insentient beings. It is due to this cause that the wheel of samsara is going round. Avajananti ma muda manushim tanumasridam param Bhava Majjanando Mama Bhudamaheshwaram. Not knowing my supreme nature, fools deride me, the overlord of the entire creation, who have assumed the human form. That is to say, they take me, who have appeared in human form through my Yoga Maya, for deliverance of the world as an ordinary mortal. Mogasha Moga Karmano Mogajnana Vijedasa Rakshasi Masuri Chaiva Prakriti Mogini Srada. Those bewildered persons with the vain hopes, futile actions, and fruitless knowledge have adopted a fiendish, demonical, and delusive nature. Mahatmanastu ma Partha Devim Prakriti Masrida Bhajandanya Anya Manaso Jnatva Budadi Ma Vyayam. On the other hand, Arjuna, great souls who are imbued with the divine nature, knowing me as the prime source of all beings and the imperishable, eternal, worship me constantly with one pointedness of mind. Sadanam Kirtayando Mam Yadandascha Dridhavrada Namasyandascha ma bhaktya nityayukta ubasade. Constantly chanting my names and glories and striving for my realization, and bowing again and again to me, those devotees of a fame resolve ever united with me through meditation, worship me with a single-minded devotion. ജ്ഞാനയജ്ഞേന ചാപ്യേന്യ യജന്തോ മാമുവാസതേ ഏകത്വേന പൃഥക്ത്വേന ബഹുധാ വിശുദ്ധോമുഖം. Others who follow the path of knowledge betake themselves to me through yajna of knowledge, worshipping me in my absolute formless aspect as one with themselves, while still others worship me in my universal form in many ways, taking me to be diverse in manifold celestial forms. Agam Kaduragam Yajna Swadakamakamaushadam Mantro Kama Kamevajya Magamagniragam Kudam. I am the Vedic ritual, I am the sacrifice, I am the offering to the departed, I am the garbage and wood grains, I am the sacred mantra, I am the clarified butter, I am the sacred fire, and I am verily the act of offering oblations into the fire. Pida Hamasya Jagado Mada Dada Pidamaha Vedyam Pavitra Mongar Araksama Yajureva Ja. I am the sustainer and ruler of this universe. Its father, mother, and grandfather, the one worth knowing, the purifier, the sacred syllable Om, and the three Vedas, Rig, Yajus, and Sama. Gadir Varta Prabhu Sakshi Nivas Sharanam Sugrit Prabhava Pralaya Sthanam Nidanam Bijam Vyayam. I am the Supreme God, Sustainer, Lord, Witness, Abode, Refuge, Well-wisher, seeking no return, origin and end, resting place, storehouse, to which all beings return at the time of universal destruction, and an imperishable seed. Tabamyaha amaham varsham nigrhamyutsu jamija amradam chaiva mrityuscha sadasachaham Arjuna. I radiate heat as the sun and hold back as well as send forth showers, Arjuna. I am immortality as well as death. Even so, I am being and also non-being. Trividya Mam Sam Somabha Puna Baba Yajnai Rishtva Surgadim Prardayande. Te Punyamasadya Surendra Loka Masnandi Divya A Divi Deva Bhogan. Those who perform action with some interested motive as laid down in these three Vedas and drink the sap of the Soma plant and have thus been purged of sin, worshipping me through sacrifices, seek access to heaven, attaining Indra's paradise as the result of their virtuous deeds. They enjoy the celestial pleasures of gods in heaven. ते तं भुक्त्वा स्वर्गलोकं विशालं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति. एवं त्रयी धर्ममनुप्रपन्नागतं कामकामा लभन्ते. Having enjoyed the extensive heaven built, they return to this world of mortals on the stock of their merits, being exhausted thus, devoted to the ritual with interested motive, recommended by the three Vedas as the means of attaining heavenly bliss and seeking worldly enjoyments. They repeatedly come and go. Example ascended to heaven by virtue of their merits and return to earth when their fruit has been enjoyed. Ananya aschindayento mam ye janaha paryubhasade tesham നിത്യാഭിയുക്താനാം യോഗക്ഷേമം വഹാമ്യകം. The devotees, however, who solely loving me, constantly think of me and worship me selflessly, to those ever united in thought with me, I bring full security and personally look after all their needs. येऽप्यन्य देवता भक्ता यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्विता तेऽपि मामेव कौन्तेय यजन्त्य vidhipurvakam. Arjuna, even those devotees who endowed with faith worship me alone, though with a mistaken approach. Agam hi sarvejnanam भोक्ता च प्रभुरेव च न तु मामभिजानन्ति तत्त्वेनादश्च वन्ति ते. For I am the enjoyer and also the Lord of all sacrifices, but they who do not know me in reality as the supreme deity, they fall example, return to life on earth. Yanti devavrata devanbi trinyanyanti pidravrata bhudani yanti bhudejya yanti madajinobi mam. Those who are votaries of gods go to gods. Those who are votaries of mains reach the mains. Those who adore the spirits reach the spirits, and those who worship me come to me alone. That is why my devotees are no longer subject to birth and death. Patram pushpam phalam toyam योम मे भक्त्या प्रयच्छति तदहं भक्तिवहृतमस्नामि प्रयदात्मनः. Whosoever offers me with love a leaf, a flower, a fruit or water, I appear in person before that selfless devotee of a sinless mind and delightfully partake of that article offered by him with love. Yad karoshi, yadasnasi, yajjuhoshi, tadasi yat, yattapashyasi, kaundeya, tad kurushva, madarpanam. Arjuna, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer as oblation to the sacred fire, whatever you bestow as a gift, whatever you do by way of penance, do that as an offering to me. Shubha Shubha Afalairevam Mokshase Karma Bandhane Sannyasa Yoga Yuktatma Vimukto Mamu Vaishyasi. With your mind thus established in the yoga of renunciation, offering of all actions to me, you will be freed from the bondage of action in the form of good and evil. Results: thus freed from them, you will attain me. Samo ham sarvabhuteshu na me dveshyo vasti na priya ye bhajanti tu ma bhaktya mai te teshu chapyaham. I am equally present in all beings. There is none hateful or dear to me. They, however, who devoutly worship me, abide in me, and I too stand revealed to them. Abhi chosuda durajaro bhajade mamananya bhak sadhureva sa mandavya samyagvya vasido hi sa. Even if the vilest sinner worships me with exclusive devotion, he should be regarded a saint. However, he has rightly resolved. He is positive in his belief that there is nothing like devoted worship of God. Kshipram bhavadi dharmatma shashvachandi nigachadi kaundeya pradi yajanihi na me bhakta pranashyadi. Speedily he becomes virtuous and attains abiding peace. Know it for certain, Arjuna, that my devotee never perishes. Mam hi parda vibhasritya ye bi chu paba yonaya striyo vaishyastada sudrastevi yanti paramgadim. Arjuna, women, Vaishyas, members of the trading and agriculturist classes, Shudras, those belonging to the laborers and artisan classes, as well as those of impious birth such as the Pariah, whoever they may be, taking refuge in me, they too attain the supreme goal. Ki Punabhrahmana Punya Bhakta Rajarshayastada Anitya Amasugam Logamimam Prapya Bojaswa Mam. How much more then if they, holy Brahmanas and royal sages, devoted to me, therefore having obtained this joyless and transient human life, constantly worship me. Manmana Bhava Madbhakto Madaji Ma Namaskuru Mame Vaishyasi Yuktvaiva Matma Anam Madparayana. Fix your mind on me, be devoted to me, worship me, and make obeisance to me. Thus, linking yourself with me and entirely depending on me, you shall come to me. Om Tatsadithi. ശ്രീമദ് ഭഗവത്ഗീത സുപനിഷത്സു ബ്രഹ്മവിദ്യായാം യോഗശാസ്ത്രേ ശ്രീകൃഷ്ണാർജുന സംവാദേ രാജഗുഹ്യയോഗോ നാമ നവമോധ്യായ. Thus in the Upanishads sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna, ends the 9th chapter entitled The Yoga of Sovereign Science and a Sovereign Secret. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.